Ditch dual monitors, how LG 40WP95C-W's Thunderbolt 4 steals the show.
Ever felt like your monitor's cramping your style, turning epic ideas into pixelated puzzles? That nagging frustration when windows overlap like bad exes, stealing your flow. It's enough to make you question your setup. Picture this, you're knee-deep in edits, but the screen's fighting back. Sound familiar? Drop a guilty in the comments if your desk drama hits home, and let's fix it together.
Those endless deadlines piling up like unread emails, stress spiking your coffee intake, and burnout whispering, just quit? It's brutal when your tools lag behind your ambition, turning creative sparks into exhausted sighs. But imagine reclaiming that edge, sliding into a seamless workflow that banishes chaos without another gadget headache. What if one screen could hush the frenzy? Stick around. The secret's unfolding.
Enter the LG 40WP95C-W, your 40-inch ultra-wide curved savior with 5K 2K resolution that stretches your world like a deep breath after holding it too long. This Nano IPS beast nails 98% DCI-P3 colors, popping HDR10 vibes so vivid you'll swear you're touching the canvas. Rich bass from built-in speakers humming approval. Thunderbolt 4 with 96-watt power delivery. One cable docks your laptop, charges it up, and unleashes the hub magic. No tango. Take Sally, a video editor drowning in tabs. One glance at her 5120 by 2160 playground, and she ditched dual screens, timeline sprawling like a victory lap. Or Mike, the designer whose swivel stand tilted frustration into focus mid-brainstorm. Here's one way the LG 40WP95C-W saved the day for a busy pro. It's picture-by-picture split-screen, juggled client calls and comps flawlessly. No sweat. Emotional rush? That aha tingle when everything aligns. Keep reading for the bonus trick at the end that'll make your next project sing. Trust me, it's a game whisperer.
Now, feel the rush. LG 40WP95C-1's efficiency floods your day with laser focus, performance soaring as that 21:9 curve wraps ideas around you like a cozy plot twist. Gone are the squints at fuzzy edges. Hello, razor-sharp 140 ppi bliss. Multitaskers, rejoice. It's two QHD screens fused bezel-free, boosting output without the neck-craning nonsense. Why does it hit different? Thousands rave, hooked on the immersive flow that turns grind into glide. A tech analyst nailed it. This 5K 2K ultra-wide isn't a monitor, it's a productivity portal, streamlining my hybrid hustle like butter. Influencer Alex, buried in edits, gushed, one Thunderbolt 4 plug and my MacBook's alive, charged, connected, colors exploding in DCI-P3 glory. I couldn't believe how it melted my desk clutter. Users echo, a developer shared, code windows side by side, crisp as fresh snow, no more eye strain marathons. Even pros whisper controversy. Why settle for good enough when this borderless beauty demands your best? Sensory thrill? That subtle curve pulling you in like the screen's got secrets just for you. Which feature would save your day? Thunderbolt docking or Nano IPS pop? Comment below and let's swap war stories. See why buzz is building? It's not hype, it's your upgrade calling.
Limited stock flying off shelves. Join the 10,000 plus pros who've leveled up with LG 40WP95C-W's 5K 2K Edge. From influencers ditching dual setups to analysts calling it workflow witchcraft. If you're battling screen squeeze or cable chaos, this may change your game. Don't wait. Snag yours before the rush and unlock a secret on-screen control tip inside that splits your chaos into calm. Comment yes if you want the full hack. Don't just watch. Plug in, power up, and transform your workflow today.